Dear friends, in this video I am going to discuss about Union of India as described by Article 1 of Indian Constitution. See, Article 1 of Indian Constitution is about the name and territory of the Union of India. It defines India as India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states in its first clause, and in the second clause it says that the states and territories thereof shall be as specified in the first schedule. And in the third clause it says that the territory of India shall comprise of the territory of the states, union territories specified in the first schedule, and such other territories as may be acquired by the country. This article was in news recently because there was a petition which seeks an amendment to Article 1 of the Indian Constitution. This petition wanted to remove the word India from the definition of the country. India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states, should be amended to remove India, which is a foreign name which was given by the Britishers, and it wants India to be struck off from the article and India should be named only as Bharat officially. That was the demand of the petition. This similar type of petition had come up before Supreme Court in 2016 also. Then Chief Justice of India, T.S. Thakur, remarked that every Indian had the right to choose what he want to call his country. Whether you want to call it as Bharat or whether you want it as India, it is your decision. You are free to choose what should be the name of your country, and the court or any institution in a democratic country should not dictate the terms on which the country shall be named or what one can call his own country. So this was the verdict in 2016 by then Chief Justice of India, T.S. Thakur. Now coming to the Constituent Assembly debates about Article 1. On 15th and 17th November 1948 and 17th and 18th September 1949, this Article 1 was debated in the Constituent Assembly, and at that time itself there was a proposal amendment to add secular federal socialist to the Union of States. Ambedkar opposed this. This proposal was with the reasoning that as the objective resolution is not yet adopted, let the first article say the objectives of the aspirations of the country. But Ambedkar rejected it, saying that if we are defining the type of the state and type of the polity as a justiciable clause, it is reducing the meaning of democracy and freedom of the people to decide for themselves in future. So that amendment was not accepted. There was also another amendment which suggested alternative names to India. The names suggested were Bharat and Hind. Out of this, Bharat was accepted, but totally this amendment was rejected. So this is all about the Article 1 and Union of India as defined by Article 1. Thank you.